Hi, I'm Lisa from Lori's Country Cottage. Welcome to How Tuesday. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn a tea towel or tea toweling into reversible placemats.
Let's talk supplies. Of course, you'll need some tea towels to turn them into placemats. You can use embroidery blanks from Kimberbell or other companies, even store-bought tea towels. They should be about 20 inches by 28 inches for this project. I used tea toweling that we have in the store. It's sold by the meter. It's 19 inches wide, so I bought 0.8 meters, which is about 31 inches long. I bought 2 colors. I'll make 2 placemats. Each of them will be black on one side and blue on the other. Take your placemats and cut them in half so that you have 2 pieces measuring about 15.5 by 19. Now it's time to have some fun. You can use machine embroidery like I did. Make sure you use cutaway stabilizer. Or you can do regular applique. I used Hot Fix as my adhesive. Always embroider each piece on the right-hand side, or if you choose, you can go in the middle or lower down in the middle. I embroidered 2 towels and I appliqued 2 towels. Now I'll take my 2 pieces that I want on the same placemat and put them right sides together. Clip them or pin them. Don't forget to leave an opening about 3 inches for turning your placemat. This first set, I left the hem on the placemats. So I stitched with a 1/2 inch seam allowance and then I clipped the corners. Turn it right side out and press. And here's the light blue side of my appliqued placemat. And here's the other side. It's black. For my second set of tea towels, I trimmed the hem off. Because I didn't have a hem, I could stitch with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Then I clipped the corners, turned and pressed, and they're only slightly smaller than the other set. Here are the finished placemats in blue. And here are the finished placemats in black. The snowman on blue is with the black tree, and the flower on blue is with the black Halloween embroidery. Here's a close-up of my snowman. You can find him at Kimberbell. It's Bench Buddies January through April, or KD 570. My Halloween embroidery is from Designs by Juju, Farm Fresh Halloween number 3.
Thank you for joining me for How Tuesday. I hope you'll try making some reversible placemats out of a tea towel, whether you use regular applique or machine embroidery.